Explore nature's top 10 insect marvels. Get ready for a front row seat to the most astonishing insect phenomena on the planet. Join us as we count down the top 10 insect marvels in a show that unveils the extraordinary ballet of nature's miniature wonders. Monarch butterfly metamorphosis. Kicking off our countdown with the majestic metamorphosis of the monarch butterfly. Witness the magic as these creatures transform before your eyes. Time-Lapse. Bees hatch. At number 9, we dive into the secret life of bees. Experience the mesmerizing time-lapse journey from egg to adulthood in the heart of the hive. Hercules beetle. Lifecycle. Coming in at number 8, we explore the incredible life cycle of the Hercules beetle. From tiny larva to powerful horned giant, nature's diversity is on full display. Army ants. At number 7, join the relentless march of army ants. Their teamwork and strategic prowess make them a force to be reckoned with in the insect kingdom. Fireflies attract mates. Taking the 6th spot, witness the enchanting dance of fireflies. Synchronized glows light up the night sky in a mesmerizing display of insect romance. Mantis Cannibalism. At number 5, love takes a deadly turn as we explore Mantis Cannibalism. Nature's dramatic romance unfolds in this captivating segment. Kissing bug blood balloon. In the 4th position, the bizarre tale of the kissing bug. Watch as it becomes a literal balloon, feeding on your blood while you sleep. Nature's dark secret revealed. Giant leaf insects. At number 3, the world of giant leaf insects. Discover the art of camouflage in these masters of disguise. Parasitoid wasps. Securing the 2nd spot, we delve into the cunning world of parasitoid wasps. These masters of manipulation lay eggs on unsuspecting hosts, leading to a gruesome fate. Parasitic fungus takeover. And finally, claiming the top spot in our top 10 insect marvels countdown, witness the horror story of parasitic fungi taking over unsuspecting insects. It's a spine-tingling journey into the world of nature's puppet masters. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling countdown of nature's top 10 insect marvels. If you're fascinated by the incredible world of insects, don't forget to subscribe for more mind-boggling insights into the wonders of the natural world.